Let's take a look at this example. I want you to remember that anytime we will use the completing the square method, you're supposed to make sure that the second degree term and the first degree term supposed to be on the same side. We're going to most of the time move them to the left side, and constant supposed to be on the right side. So let's move 6x to the left side. We have x squared minus 6x is equal 27. Also, it's very important to make sure that the coefficient of your second degree term is 1, positive 1. So if we do not have written anything next to x squared or whatever your variable is going to be, you're supposed to have nothing over here. So we can say that our equation is ready for completing the square. Copy down x squared minus 6x plus, always plus, and take this coefficient, and we have 6, divide always by 2. Okay, remember the coefficient of the first degree term has to be divided by 2, and this fraction has to be raised to the second power, equals, copy down 27, and whatever you add to the left side, you have to also add to the right side. That's why you're going to have plus 6 over 2 to the second power. So we have x squared minus 6x plus 6 divided by 2 is equal 3. That's why I can write this as 3 to the second power equals 27 plus 3 to the second power. So next, copy down x minus 3 and raise everything to the second power. Now one more time, this x you're supposed to copy down. Negative sign you're supposed to copy down. You have to copy down always the sign which is between the second degree term and first degree term. And after that you're supposed to copy base of this expression. Equals 27, and 3 to the second power is equal 9. So I have x minus 3 to the second power is equal 27 plus 9 is equal 36. Next, in order to find x, we're supposed to square root both sides of the equation. That's why we're going to have x minus 3 is equal plus minus square root of 36. Square root of 36 is equal 6. That's why I can rewrite this as x minus 3 is equal plus minus 6. Now, in order to find x, I have to move this negative 3 to right side. And we are going to have x is equal 3 plus minus 6. We can rewrite this as x equals 3 plus 6, or x equals 3 minus 6, because we have plus minus. So if x equals 3 plus 6 is equal 9, and we have x equals 3 minus 6 is equal negative 3. Okay, so these are the solutions to my problem.